Now, once one course is created, one of the possibilities with an Eve is to set up a recurring pattern of those courses, so that should any of your course types, here we're going to look at an open water course, but any of your course types be on a recurring pattern, daily, monthly, weekly, etc., it is possible to take that base information in the first course that you created and use that as a template for a series of future succeeding courses. So in this first course that we created, you will see at the bottom of the screen a recurrence button. When I click that recurrence button, we will now see that the possibilities of recurrence are either daily, weekly, monthly or yearly. Now within daily, it is possible to choose the number of days, and that number of days, where you see currently 1, would mean that the next pattern of the next course would start 1 day after the start date of our original course. If I entered 4, then the same pattern of days would now start 4 days after the start date of our original course. It could be that this takes place, however, every weekday, in which case select that weekday radio button. Likewise with every weekend day. Were we to look at this weekly, I could say that this will start every 1 week, and that would be on a perhaps Thursday, or it could be every 2 weeks on a Thursday, or every 3 weeks on a Friday, and so on. With monthly, your options are either on a particular day of the month, or is it the first, second, third, fourth particular day of that month, so the first Monday, the third Wednesday, etc. Just for this example here, I'm going to choose a 3-weekly pattern starting on a Thursday, and that start date will be the 30th of May, for example, and the end date, and again I can adjust these end dates either by using the drop down which opens up the calendar, or by using arrows on my keyboard as so. And although we're going to be looking on other videos that you'll see how to create stock items to sell courses, I'm just going to at this point say that when we have done that, I would copy the stock item information that will sell spaces on these courses from this original template. So right now, when I hit OK, what's going to happen is Eve will create a pattern of open water courses starting every 3 weeks on a Thursday, the first one of those being the 30th of May, and the last of those some point in September that I have chosen. So I hit OK. Eve just asks me very quickly, you'll see here these start dates, these boxes, to say, is that really what you meant to do? The answer is yes. I hit OK, and in the background Eve has now created those new courses. It is that quick. If I close this original course and now go to Courses Find, and on this Dates tab I'm going to look at today's date and look at those courses created today, you will now see all the courses are original and are others on that 3-week pattern that I have created using that recurrence tool. And you'll be able to see how very swiftly you'll be able to create your pattern of courses through the busy part of your dive season, the quieter parts of your dive season, for all your course types.